General Mariano, I think you are a disgrace to the Philippine National Police, especially to the officers corps, especially to the high-ranking officers of what you did. Obvious po na nagsisinungaling ka. Obvious po na pinagtatakpan ka, pinipilit ito mga tao mo sa ilalim. Pag tinatanong sila kung kaninong kasalanan, ayaw kang ituro. Pare-pareho naman ho kayo mawawala sa serbisyo. Natatawa na lang nga po itong mga senior officers na mga kasama niyo ho dati, si Colonel Busita, ngayon congressman, na si General Acop, na ngayon congressman na rin. You guys are all lying. Mr. Chairman, I hate to say this, parang binabastos ho itong committee mo. Kaya if you would, Mr. Chair, and I don't know if our other congressmen here, our committee members will agree with me. Sir, let us cite these people in contempt. Siguro nalulungkot yung 6 na nakakulong sa baba. Gusto siguro nilang magkaroon ng party sa baba. Why don't we, I suggest, isama na ho ito simula kay General Mariano at iba pa mga officers para magkaroon sila ng party mamayang gabi. Mag-party sila doon hanggang sa ma-realize nila nagsisinungaling sila because walang patutunguhan. This investigation is not going anywhere because they're really lying. May mga testigo na ho tayo, ayaw pa rin magsalita. So, if you would, Mr. Chair, I would like to cite in contempt these other officers kasama si General Mariano. I hate to say this, but we don't have a choice, Mr. Chair, para kung binabastos ang committee mo, pinaglalaruan, pinagtatatawanan, akala siguro mga batang paslit tayo dito sa Congress. So we have to teach them a lesson, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Is that a motion, Mr.
Yes, Mr. Chair. That's my motion.
Okay, okay. Before we act on the motion, 1 minute suspension.
Sa tingin ko po ay kailangan na po nating pagbotohan. Kung ano po yung ating kaninang motion po ni Kagalang-galang na Tulfo.
Mr. Chair.
At siguro po dagdagan natin ang niyan.
Raising your hand. Congressman Busita.
Mr. Chair, with respect to Deputy Majority Leader, na kung saan meron po siyang motion to cite in contempt si General Mariano dahil sa sinasabing pagsisinungaling at conflicting po kasi yung statements between Colonel Guevara and General Mariano. And recently, nakita po natin yung talagang harap-harapang pagsisinungaling ni Colonel Guevara regarding dito po sa 2 million pesos and 1 million pesos. So, Mr. Chair, if I may, with respect to Honorable Deputy Majority Leader, na-prove natin na may kasinungalingan si Colonel Guevara. So, para po sa akin, again, with all due respect.
Point of order, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Congressman Acop. What is your point of order?
My point of order is that there's a motion of the Honorable D.S. Tulfo. It has been duly seconded.
No, not yet. So we are in the process of acting on the motion of Congressman Tulfo. But this yes.
Did you second that?
Mr. Chairman, for the record, I manifested that I will second the motion if ever we will have a quorum.
So this is the parliamentary status of the motion. The motion that was moved by Congressman Tulfo in accordance with our rules cannot be interrupted. That's the basic rule. But the chairman allows that to be interrupted. And now we allow some manifestation of the members of this.
That's the point of order, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so the point of order is not you don't want to allow any manifestation during the motion.
To ask what follows after the seconding of the motion. You should ask the body
Correct.
Is
Correct,
there
correct,
any
correct.
objection? If there's
Yes.
any objection, then that person will be granted
Yes.
the right to speak.
That's right, Mr. Vice Chairman. But this representative or this chairman is allowing the manifestation of Congressman Bosita. But if the body will not allow that manifestation, then it's the right of the body to interject that objection. But in relation to the motion of Congressman Tulfo, and there's a manifestation on the second motion, and this chairman allows the manifestation of Congressman Bosita, we will allow that as long as there's no objection on that. And the point of order of Congressman Acop is that the proper procedure is for the motion to be acted upon by the second motion and the no objection. Since there is a point of order that was raised by Vice Chairman Acop, we will not allow the manifestation of any of the members of this committee. Is that your point?
No, I'm asking for your ruling insofar as my point of order is concerned.
Yes, the point of order that was being asked by Congressman Acop. Of course, I allowed it. A while ago, we allowed the manifestation of the different members. Now, I allowed the manifestation of the different members a while ago. But if there is a form of objection coming from the good chairman of transportation, then we will disregard the manifestation of every members who have given their manifestation.
Mr. Chair, the way I look at it, the protocol is for us to vote. If there is no objection, the motion is carried. If there is one member who will object, then he has the right to explain it.
So we will be asking Congressman Bosita if the form of he's raising his point is a form of objection or a form of manifestation. And that's the reason why I want to hear. That's the reason why I want to hear, the manifestation of Congressman Bosita. If he's going to manifest on the issue that we will be tackling on the motion of Congressman Tulfo, or it is a motion to object. But since there is still no second motion,
Let me finish my second
Yes, of
motion,
course.
Mr. Chairman. And then if ever Congressman Bosita will object to the motion,
Yes,
my second
I
motion,
understand that. I understand that. And that's the reason why I'm giving him the chance. So, alam naman natin that we have different minds in here, and we are allowing the democracy in this committee. And with that, I'm allowing him first to say, and if that is in the form of an objection, we will do it in the right time, Since nandun pa lang naman tayo sa motion by Congressman Erwin Tulfo and not been seconded, so I'm allowing, I'm allowing. But the protocol, Congressman Acop is right. Dapat yan, motion, second the motion, objection, then that's it. But we practice democracy. Di ba? Sometimes we break our own, no, not breaking, but we allow the manifestation. So, Congressman Bosita, 1 minute suspension. Okay, so hearing resumed. So, there's a motion, there's a pending motion. The motion that was moved by the movant, Congressman Erwin Tulfo, is to cite in contempt the following persons. General Mariano, Roderick Mariano, and Colonel Cabradilla. Is there a second motion?
second, Mr. Chairman.
It was duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.
Second motion, Mr. Chairman.
So, now, we will be meting out the penalty. So, any motion for the penalty?
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Congressman
respectfully move
Paduano.
that the person cited in contempt will be detained in this house for 30 days, Mr. Chairman.
So, there's a motion that the two personalities mentioned will meted out a 30 days to be delivered in here in this premises. Any second motion? This was duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. Facility. So any motion where to put the two gentlemen?
Chairman, unless otherwise there is a specific motion, the chairman can decide on that. That's under the rules.
Okay, so we will be putting the two gentlemen in the same premises where the 6 others have been put by this committee. So ordered. Okay, for the meantime, while we are still in the hearing, we will be allowing the two personality to be in here because meron pa rin pong mga questions that will be asked by the members of this committee. So I think
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Tulfo.
if
Okay,
you
go
would,
ahead.
allow. Because it will be unfair, Mr. Chair, if we're putting General Mariano and Colonel Cabradilla on a 30-day house arrest, while the two others, itong mga number 1 na sinungaling, si Quijano at saka Guevara, 15 days lang, if I may recall. Unfair naman ho yun. Sila ho talaga yung, kita mo, harap-harapan yung pagsisinungaling ni Quijana. Why are we only giving them 2 weeks? Then we might as well give them another 2 weeks, Mr. Chairman.
Is that in a form of a motion?
Yes.
Okay, Congressman Erwin Tulfo have a motion to extend the penalty that was meted out to these 6 PNP personnel. Is there any second motion? Extending it from 15 days to 30 days. There is a second motion. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. So it's duly been approved that these 6 PNP personnel will be extending their stay here until such time that they have reconsider their statement in this committee. So for the meantime, so we'll be asking questions. So
Chairman.
Congressman Paduan.
This is just a manifestation, Mr. Chairman, just to remind and inform all those PNP officers cited in contempt that you have all the right also to ask for a reconsideration to the chair for this committee to reconsider your detention in the House. That is your right. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, so